Every high-profile businessman, every high dreamer, every achiever understands the power of the positives. Something must cross your path to make a different decision. Sometimes you have to decide suddenly. There are many unforeseen circumstances that come your way that demand immediate decisions positively. So you end up facing different options of choices, different viewpoints for one decision. Are you going for the Toyota SUV or are you going for the Land Rover SUV? Different options around based on the challenges we face. Or are you going for a Humvee? Are you going for the military to bring their huge tank to break this mountain or climb this mountain? There are so many views that come your way. Immediately, you need to sound your mind on a particular direction for success. Lateral thinking. Many viewpoints must be considered. And many times when you have a team, it helps. But when you are alone, the team within you speaks to you. The experiences of your past, the stories you've heard in the past, what you just learned yesterday, all these things play in your mind. Your mind is a subconscious load-up place where information comes into your natural thinking processes. I pray that in the midst of these kinds of opposing circumstances, where you have opposing opinions, where you have opposing thoughts, where you have opposing indexes to work with, you will always have the right direction to go. Have a sound mind in the midst of all this. For the Bible says God has not given you the spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. There must be a sound in your mind, not the sound of fear, but the sound of success. In the midst of all the various options, may the sound of success be so clear, and be so strong, so you can finish well. You will finish well. I will see you at the top. God bless you.